World's fastest roofer, world's fastest shingler, 1 square challenge, roofing Olympics, whatever it is. I want to show you something here. Let's jump over to the screen. We're going to play this through one time, about 37 seconds, and I'll play it back, and we're going to learn some lessons here.
That's how we do it right here. Put this on the fucking fastest shingler. We got some fastest shingle nailer. We're gonna post it.
I'll send it to folks.
We're gonna post it. It's gonna go viral. Yeah.
Yo, Avery, you shot that wrong. Okay, so I want to point out a few things and address some things real quick. Now for the lesson. So first I want to give this video concept, playlist concept out, shout out to my brother, Pat, with Patrick's Epic Journey. He's currently watching from Colombia, so hey, check his channel out. So he sent this video to me and I was just blown away one day. He said, you gotta check this out. I'm on a roof doing a little flat and I've watched the video just a few days back. I had the idea, I actually told this concept in a recent video and I want to do it. So the concept of this video is I'm going to watch videos on YouTube, just like you guys do all the time. We're going to learn some lessons out of this. So first off, I want to address a few things. I'm not bashing this guy. I'm sure he was probably good, probably is still good, probably better now. I don't know. I don't know where he is in life. I never met the guy. By the way, did you notice he pointed out viral video? Let's look at that real quick. So I will leave a link to this particular video in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Not my rendition of me talking about it. It's only 37 seconds. It's labeled Fastest Shingle Nailer. It did go viral, apparently at some point, 4.3 million views almost. Published August 11th, 2014. Why I want to do this is there's a lot of guys out there that have commented on me, leaving some bad comments that why am I always picking on Zach of all trades, also known as veteran roofers. I'm not. You know, I watch his channel. He's good. He's also actually figured out the algorithm because check this out. His video pops up, I saw. So he's mastering the algorithm. In one of his recent videos just a few weeks ago, he was very adamant on saying, let's all have fun, let's all participate in the 1 square challenge, world's fastest shingler, roofing Olympics, whatever, but let's not compromise quality. He clearly pointed that out. So by no means am I bashing on Zach. Zach, if you're watching, hey, from Kokomo, if you're in the area, give me a shout, beer and lunch on me. I'll shout out you if I'm up that way. If you want to do a collaboration, give me a buzz. So anyways, the idea popped into my head about this, and I think it's pretty good. There's so much content out there on YouTube that you guys have probably seen a lot that I haven't. So send me a copy of the link. I'll show you here in a little while, and I will review it. If I like it, I'll give you a shout out, and I will put a video about the video you sent me. So let's learn from this real quick. Okay, I'm gonna jump the screen back up big again here real quick, and let's learn. I'll pause through and point out some things here, okay?
That's how we do it right here. Put this on the fucking fastest shingler.
Okay, so right away when I first saw this video, I was like, well, he's racking it in. At least that's what I call it. I'm not a fan of it. I think you can see it. It looks like crap. It just basically said I don't care about quality. And I'll probably get some hate on that. Manufacturers, I believe, honor this. It just doesn't look good. If you read the instructions on any manufacturer, they're going to say build it up like this, and there's certain instructions for it. So I don't like that. Nail placement, nail placement, nail placement. Let's look at this. This one is in, it's up high. He's doing, appears to be a 4 or a 5 nail pattern. It's not good. Most of your roofs you've already seen is probably like blown away. So he throws this shingle down to install it. He shoves it under this one. Notice he never lifts that shingle up to shoot the corner of the shingle down. Notice where he placed that nail pretty damn close to the drip groove. And then I believe that he even shoots this one really damn high. Let's check that out. Yeah, so right there. He's completely missing the headlap down below. It's in, it's up. If you notice, it's really faint, but there's little lines on these shingles that say for the installer, hey, this is the nail line, this is the nail zone, this is the common bond. This is where the nail needs to be for the manufacturer to honor a warranty. Not paying attention to that. So every other shingle, racking it in, he's missing a nail completely on the end. He's also putting the drip groove in, or nail in the drip groove right there on every other shingle, and the nails are high. It's just not good. Shingles, nails are $26, $30 a case, about 15 square roughly per case. I mean, what's an extra $30 for a box of nails to go add a few nails? You're going to get an enhanced wind warranty. Granted, 2014, I think they said 4 nails. They still honor 4 nails, just less wind warranty. So that's not my complaint here. My I guess complaint is these kind of videos encourage the youngsters, the new guys, let's be fast, let's have fun. I'm not complaining about having fun and being fast, but don't skimp on the quality. Let's make sure we're all installing a great, superior product that the manufacturer is going to honor their warranties for your customers. Let's be good and be fast. You know, there's a Dixie chopper here in the area, and their commercials that go around is, it's not about how fast you mow, it's how fast you mow good. So it's not about how fast you roof, it's how fast you roof good, okay? That's strictly all I'm saying here. Let's watch a few little more pieces here. It's not just this one shingle I'm pointing out. It's in his whole 37-second clip. They're all this way.
We got some fastest shingle now.
Right there, nail high, nail in. You can clearly see those are above the nail line. It's a pretty faint nail line. Typically your entry-level shingles, your lower end across the board, all manufacturers, they have this really little one. Now like Sure Nail, there's a hellacious, strip. You hit it, they're gonna honor it. Malarkey, great shingle, SBS, polymer all across, but their nail line is clearly defined. Same with, I think, even IKO Dynasty. There's a clear, defined nail zone. They're gonna honor their warranties. That has nothing to do with this guy. The line is very faint, but he's clearly just missing it. He's clearly just shooting shingles down. Anyway, I could teach my little daughter, 3 years old, to do this.
We're gonna post it.
I'm saving, folks.
Totally skip that one. It's every other
We're
shingle.
gonna post it. It's gonna go viral.
It did. See, I mean, right there. So, I don't know if I already said this, but nails, they're ferrous. There's iron in them. Let's have a little high school chemistry lesson here real quick. I mean, unless it's stainless steel or aluminum or lead or copper or something that doesn't oxidize and rust with ferrous metal in it, nails like this are iron. They got iron in them. They're ferrous. They're magnetic. They're going to rust. So the manufacturers put a galvanized coating on it. It's gonna rust over time in the elements. I promise you, I've seen many leaks this way. Many guys on YouTube say, oh, my stuff's never leaked. Well, it's not gonna leak right away. It's gonna leak several years, few years down the road. And more importantly, when it does, it's not just that one, it's the entire roof because you shot it this way, installed it that way. You can find them by going in the attic. You find the leak by having another guy on your crew spray the roof down. You find the leak, you tap the nail up because typically where you see it dripping in on it, you go up on the roof, you find where it's raised up, you see where it's just rusted through and water trickles in. So again, let's all be good. Let's all have fun at our jobs. Good job morale, it's fun, but let's not compromise on the quality of install. That's simply all I'm saying here. So Zach of all trades, great, love the channel. I'm not hating on you, all you guys that think I am, I'm not. Let's use this as a learning experience, which with that being said, this idea, if you like this kind of playlist that I'm considering doing, give me a thumbs up, let me know down below. And if you want to help me and give you a shout out, let's go in here, click share. It might look a little different on your phone, but you can find out where to share the video. It typically gives you options, but if you click this copy right here, this URL, and then paste that down in the comments section, and let me know, a good video, whatever, I'll check it out. If it's something I think we can learn from, I'll shoot a video like this, give you guys a shout out, whoever sends it to me, film it, upload it, make it a learning experience. So let's all be fun at our jobs. Let's all be the fastest, world's fastest roofer, roofing Olympics, whatever you want to call it. But let's be good at what we do. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you do, you know what to do. Keep tuned. 5K, 10K subscriber giveaways, probably coming here a lot quicker than we have anticipated. Thank you all. The channel's growing really good. I really love it. But this is kind of a new way I want to go because there's so much footage out there. And it's easy to set this up on my lunch hour and shoot this for you guys. So with that being said, as always, until next time, be safe, keep your feet on the roof, and see you then.